In this video, I'll show you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe Checkout. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard and open the Settings section. Next, go to Payment Methods and find Apple Pay under the available payment methods. Make sure Apple Pay is enabled for the payment methods you want to offer through Stripe Checkout. After that, check your Apple Pay configuration. If Stripe requires you to verify your website domain, open the Payment Method Domain section and add the domain where your Stripe checkout will be used. Now, follow Stripe's instructions to verify the domain. Make sure you're using the correct website domain and that your site is configured properly for Apple Pay. Next, review your checkout payment settings. Confirm that Apple Pay is available for the relevant checkout sessions and that you're using a supported integration. Finally, test the checkout on a compatible Apple device and browser. Open your Stripe checkout page and confirm that the Apple Pay option appears when the device and payment method meet Apple's requirements. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe Checkout. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.